In this lecture, we are going to know about Palette library in Creo. So Palette is a library of predefined shapes. If you go to the sketching module and you can see palette option is highlighting. So from this palette we can import any shape that is inside the palette library. So generally in Creo there are some predefined library. So for example, I will open up this palette, click on this. Now here inside this I will expand this. So you will see 4 options: polygon, profile, shape and star. In case of polygon, it has multiple types of polygon: 3-sided triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, etc. Then in case of profile, we have C profile, I profile, L profile, T profile. In case of shapes, we have arc shape, cross, oval, etc. Then stars. So now I will start with this polygon. Let's say I want to insert an hexagon. So go to hexagon, make it double click on this. Now go to the sketching part and make a single click here. With this you can see a hexagon has been created. Now for this hexagon you will see some option on the top side. The first option is translation. With this option we can translate the hexagon. So translate means we can move it. Second option is rotation. So with this option we can rotate it with respect to any entity or reference. And here these are options with respect to parallel or normal. Now this is the complete rotation and this is the scaling factor. So let's say the scaling factor, I want to create hexagon of dimension 5. So insert value 5 and then rotation angle is 0. Click OK. So you will see a hexagon of dimension 5 has been created. Similarly, we can create some more types of shapes, like I will go to profile. These are some important profile like eye profile. I will select this eye profile, double click and then click in the sketching part. Here we can define the translation. So let's say I want to rotate it up to an angle. So here we can define the angular value. So let's say this is 90 degree, press enter. Now scaling factor, let's say I want to scale it up to 2, press enter, click OK. And after that we can also change the dimensions. So you can see these dimensions are highlighting, we can change them. Let's say double click on this is 8. So all the corresponding dimension will change accordingly. So in this way we can use the palette library to reduce our time of sketching.